chal ka gima ywaruok mosebedo weche mag tuke mag agoko chal ka gima ichako losi kata ibiro losi. Piem mag riembo mitokni Rhino Charge ochano odiochieng' ma kiny e alap Masai Mosoye kar chimo bura ma Baringo North. Rhino Charge ma higani ma en tielo mar 31 oyawo mitokni 64 piem ma itiyogo e choko omenda mar tayo riwruok mar Rhino a Kenya. Mitoka mar Adil Hewaja ma en mitoka namba 44 nochoko omenda mar milion 175 higa mokalo. Piem mane ochoko omenda mar shillings milion 328 pesa ma kanyakla. Moko kuom jotugo ma nigi lony moyore piem ma kamani gin Graham McTrick ma en jaloch nyadibich, Mark Glenn, Peter Kinywa e kind jotugo mamoko. Piem ma higani oyudo sir mar omenda mar shillings milion 25.8 kuom kambi tudruok mar Safaricom.
We decided last year that we were going to try and do this in a much more sustainable way. In fact, it would be really great for you to come and see our camp. Our camp is run 100% on solar. We don't have a generator, so all the lighting in our camp, all the charging of the vehicle is done renewably by solar energy. And we think that that's the way of the future. And we're just experimenting. We're trying to start something new and trying to see where this goes.
We are a family-oriented team. Full family, me and my 2 brother-in-laws, my son and 2 of my nephews. We've been doing the Rhino Charge for in excess of 20 years, like I said. And yeah, we come to do this event because we really enjoy it. And yeah, we hope we can do well. We haven't won it for a few years, but we've won it once, so we want to try and win it again this year.